Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So how did Diwali go for you guys? For me, it was the best Diwali of my life. I ate so many sweets, like every single day was my cheat day, and I got dressed up and all glammed up for every single festival throughout this Diwali season. So like I enjoyed so much. I met some of my relatives, and the get-togethers was so much fun, like after a long time. This Diwali season was probably the best thing to happen to me in 2020. So yeah, I kind of enjoyed the festival so much. Let me know what you guys did during the Diwali season. And another thing that I really liked this Diwali was the climate here in Mumbai. Usually it's very hot during the Diwali time, but this time it was like so much pleasant. Like it was chilly in the morning and then it would get chilly in the evening, and दोपहर को भी गर्मी नहीं होती थी. The गर्मी that is usually there, especially during the Diwali time, wasn't there. So I enjoy the climate also like a lot. And now that the winter is also approaching, finally it's started to affect my skin a little bit, and that's when I thought that it's the right time to start making winter related videos. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 skincare and hair care products which are suitable for every hair type, for every skin type, and which are perfect for the winter season. Like if you have the problem of dry skin or dry scalp, dry hair during the winter time, then this video is a must for you all. So without any further ado, let me quickly share with you my top 5 skincare and hair care products for the winter season. Number 1 on my list is this Mamaearth Tea Tree Hair Mask. If you have the problem of dandruff or an itchy scalp, then this hair mask is going to help to solve all of that. Now I get dandruff during the winter season because my scalp becomes really dry and then it starts itching. So this hair mask comes really handy for me during the winters. This contains tea tree oil. Now tea tree oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties, and it helps to target dandruff, and also it helps to deal with any kind of other fungal infections that you might have on your scalp. Many people don't even know that they have any kind of fungal infections, but when they go to a dermat, when they get their scalp checked, there are a lot of fungal infections on most people's scalps. So tea tree oil helps to deal with those fungal infections. It helps to deal with dandruff issues, and it helps to deal with itchiness on your scalp. And I like to apply this hair mask all over my scalp and also to the length of my hair, and it's so hydrating, it's so moisturizing for my hair because the consistency of this is super duper thick, and it contains argan oil, which is very hydrating and moisturizing for your hair and scalp. And the best part is that it's free from toxins and harmful chemicals like parabens and silicone, and it contains a lot of natural ingredients. The second product on my list is this Mamaearth Onion Scalp Serum. Now I have a full review on this product. It's a scalp serum, not a hair serum. So you're supposed to apply this on your scalp, and it is so lightweight, it's so water-like. The consistency is somewhat like an oil and water. So it gets absorbed into your scalp really fast, and even if you apply this on a daily basis, no one's really gonna notice that you have an oil on your scalp or you have a serum on your scalp. Right now I have this on my scalp, and can you tell? No, right? So it's extremely lightweight, it's extremely non-sticky and non-greasy, and you can use this every single day. So since my scalp becomes really dry, I like to apply oils like every single day, and this is the most lightweight hair oil that I've ever come across in my life. So I like to apply this all over my scalp. I just take like 4 to 5 drops of it and apply it all over my scalp, and it does the job of hydrating my scalp. So it's an amazing product to use on a daily basis, especially if you have the problem of dry scalp. Product number 3 on my list is a shampoo. Now most of the shampoos in the market dry out my hair and scalp completely, and that causes even more dandruff issues for me. So that's why I prefer shampoos that are free from SLS. Now SLS is an ingredient that is used for foaming in soaps and shampoos, and it is extremely harmful for your scalp and for your skin. It's very drying. So a shampoo that is free from SLS is something that you should be using during the winter time. And then again, since I have dandruff issues, I like to go for products that contain tea tree oil, and that's why I use this Mamaearth Tea Tree Shampoo. This is free from harmful chemicals like parabens and SLS, and it contains tea tree oil, which helps me with my dandruff issues. So that's the reason why I love using this for the winter time. And I like to follow it up with this Mamaearth Tea Tree Conditioner. This also contains tea tree oil, and I always advise people to use a shampoo and a conditioner from either the same brand or from the same family, because that way you're putting similar kind of ingredients on your hair and scalp and you're not using like 10,000 different ingredients. So using same ingredients is kind of more beneficial for your skin, for your hair and for your scalp. The fourth product on my list is a facial cleanser. Now most of the face washes in the market are really drying for the skin, especially during the winter time, and especially if you have dry skin or sensitive skin. Most of the face washes can be really harsh for your skin, so you need to go for something that is suitable for sensitive skin, that is a little creamy, that's a little hydrating and is non-drying for your skin. So I have this Derma Co creamy cleanser with me. This helps to clean your face without drying it out. It helps to hydrate your face at the same time. It is free from fragrance, it is free from any kind of soap, so it's perfect for sensitive skin and for dry skin. The texture of this is so creamy and it's so hydrating. It's a non-drying formulation and it is perfect for the winter time. So I highly recommend you guys check this out for the winters, especially if you have sensitive skin or dry skin. And finally, the last product on my list is another face wash. Now if you don't want to try the creamy cleanser by Derma Co, then you can also try this one. This is by Mamaearth. It's their Uptan face wash. Now this face wash is perfect for removing sun tanning, for providing an instant glow on your skin and for cleansing your skin while moisturizing it. The consistency of this is not in the form of a gel or a cream or a foaming consistency. It's in the form of an Uptan paste and it smells exactly like Uptan. And when you apply this on your face, it doesn't foam up, but it cleanses your skin so well and it moisturizes it to a next level. So that just makes it perfect for dry skin and for the winter time. And then again, this contains tiny little microbeads which also help to exfoliate your skin while cleansing it. So this is an ideal face wash for dry skin. However, I don't really recommend it so much for sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, then you should definitely try the Derma Co creamy cleanser. That's amazing for sensitive skin. So those are my top 5 skincare and hair care products for the winter season, and I know that I included a lot of Mamaearth products, but it's only because Mamaearth products are so gentle for the skin and for the hair, which make them perfect for the winter season. And Mamaearth products are free from harmful toxins and they contain a lot of natural ingredients. And then again, Mamaearth is sort of a plastic positive brand. They recycle more plastic than what they use and actually recycle more than 120 metric tons of plastic every single month. 1 metric ton is 1000 kgs, so 120 tons you can actually calculate by yourself. That's how much plastic that they recycle. And then again, every single time that you buy from Mamaearth's website, they link your order on the website to a tree that they plant, and they also send you the picture, the exact geolocation and the species of the tree. So this only means that every single time that you're placing orders on Mamaearth's website, you are also contributing to the environment, which is so good. Apart from the environment, Mamaearth also cares for the animals. It is officially certified by PETA as a cruelty-free brand, and then again, it's an Indian brand and they manufacture their products in India. The links to purchase all of the products that I showed in this video will be mentioned in the description box below. Also, if you use my coupon code, that is RIA2020, then you can achieve a 20% off on Mamaearth's official website, and you can also buy Mamaearth products from Amazon and Nykaa. I do have a coupon code for Derma Co as well, which I'm going to leave in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. And yeah, with that I come to an end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you found it helpful. Do let me know what other winter related videos would you like me to make. Make sure you leave your video suggestions in the comments below, and also do let me know in the comments which are your ideal winter skincare and hair care products. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do that right away, and also follow me on Instagram. The direct link will be mentioned in the description box below. And with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.